Hey everyone. My last 9/11 video, I did this 50 things to do to your 9/11. I'll put the link right up here. And I mentioned that I was going to do something with a little bib right there on the gas cap. It came in the mail. So what I was talking about in the video was the gas cap there's an option on like some year of 9/11 where there's this little leather thing that flips out. I know Alfa Romeo does this. There's a couple other brands that put this little leather bib in there. And, you know, it helps against drips, or if you mounted the... Let me flip the camera. Hold on. If you left this mounted, right, it wants to dangle. I cut the cord so that I can put it in here so it never dangles. But if you had a little leather flap in here that would hang down as you're fueling, it would help to catch fuel. It would look cool. It would just fold up, close. I've seen this on some other vintage cars. This obviously isn't vintage, but I thought it would be a really cool addition. With the red calibers, I thought, you know, I wanted black originally, but I thought red would be a kind of a neat idea. And this company right here, these guys, Marrk LLC in New Jersey, I'll put the link down below. They have made something that is just really, really cool as far as I'm concerned. They do a good job packing it up. Comes in these little, you know, tissue paper with a little sticker on it. And I will say that they sent me their, well, I actually purchased the original, which had a slightly larger circle. It fit loose, and they wanted you to kind of zip tie it in there, and I wasn't crazy about it, I have to admit. And so I had some correspondence with them and talked about what if it just fit really snug. What would that be like? And they developed an updated product. It is unbelievably reasonably priced. Here's the red one. I want to say this is like 20 bucks, maybe 25 bucks after shipping and everything. So there's one. Here's the black one. And originally I ordered the black one. And what I ended up doing was cutting it and fooling around with it, trying to get it to do what I wanted it to do, and it just didn't. I ended up ruining it and throwing it away. Well, they sent me these. I got them as a surprise the other day. This is just your basic black, and then this is the stitched version. The stitching they, you know, used some kind of stitching that they tried to burn the thread on the back here, and my expectation is that this thing's going to get pretty dirty in here, which would add to the authentic part of it. But I think that is just so freaking cool. And I think with the red, well, let's try it out. So two different versions: stitched red, plain black. I don't know how. I'm going to try to do this with one hand, but let's see how this works out. Oh. It takes a little work, but almost got it. There we go. Oop, nope. This might be a two-handed thing here. Let's see, maybe, well, I almost got it. Maybe if I put it way back around the edge. I can just feel it. Oh, there we go, got it. So, twist it just a hair. Cap back on. fold this in. I think I love it. I really think I love it. All right, so that's how it pushes in because of all this business going on here. Pushes in nice like that, folds right out. You can fuel, red caliber, red bib. I love this. What a neat little addition. And it fits amazing. It kind of tulips out, right? Petals out, flowers out, whatever you want to call it. But it flips out slightly, so it looks like it forms, it forms an amazing seal, kind of, right up against there. Tuck that in, close it up, open it, and it's tucked. This is obviously going to get wet when it rains and when I wash the car, and I think that's just going to add to it. I think that it'll just add to it. This is the pretty side, this is the business side. I'm thrilled with this. I think it is a neat little custom edition. Yeah, well done, guys. I'll put the link below on how you can get it. Like I said, I don't remember the price off the top of my head. $20-ish. And what a neat addition. Maybe when that one gets completely trashed, I'll switch over to the black, because that would just be, classic everything black. I'm gonna go ahead and put that one in a drawer somewhere, but this is one of the simplest little additions that I've seen that I think is a really, really cool addition for the price, and it looks pretty darn factory. I'm pretty excited. So thank you guys at Marrk LLC in New Jersey. Like I said, link below. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for new, completely random videos all the time. See ya.